Umtreng bak kejelau Conrad kisang mau pentip mentak sengi kesan tarik jemang ajabsan bak suka ka Mang syu sa khasan Klur ban Pynbha ban pen itnat ya ke Iewduh kepada ke Iewduh kepada hek tam ha kejela ya kan ilo ong ha keren ha jing bu mau keteng ban tei ya ke indigenous cultural center jong keseng kasi ha program ke bang ha mau khar mentak sengi Conrad ong bak suka jela ka dep Mang reu Klur ban Pynbha ke Iewduh jong ke hima melim Henry mentak amang susu sa khasan Klur ban Pynbha ya kan ga yeu ga badon nam ha jela ha juk ko si benta ban pe ya Jngoh jingman yang ga yeu Conrad lembat ba Prestone tensong sembut jang ba tri ketanat Jngoh kai ga jela ba pol ndo kin la Jngoh ya ga yeu do ha sin kong khat khandai tarik jembang ajal pusan hak pol khat abaje mensingi
area for us, and for decades nothing has been done there. And you'll be happy to know that already government has sanctioned 6 crores. Work is going on as we speak. I hope you should sometimes go and see. I'll be visiting Iewduh very soon. And you'll be happy to see that we are actually clearing the footpaths, we're making them, we're creating the nalas, we're taking the pipes out. And more importantly, I want to share, because it's a great platform to share it, that we have already finalized another 15 crores for development of Iewduh. So we will see that in the next maybe 3 to 6 months time, we will be talking about renovating the shops, tendering also, all will be done. And Iewduh, which is, as I said, is in a way the heart, the soul of our, our farmers, our small business people. And it's an area where a lot of activity is there, and sadly it was neglected for a long time. And I'm happy today that, as I said, 6 crores work is going on and another 15 crores will be sanctioned. And like that, as I said, in many areas, we are very clear that as a government, we have to work with partnership, we have to work with the community, we have to work with different groups, and that is the only way that we can all succeed in what we're doing. Government is a facilitator. We are here to facilitate the different aspects and take forward the different policies and create the necessary infrastructure. But it is the people, the stakeholders, the community who have to then partner with us and ensure that we move forward in what objective that we had started with.